All right, so in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to get instant credibility on LinkedIn. So with LinkedIn, as you know, it's a complete total online networking platform. So you need to be able to really position yourself as a trusted authoritative figure, right? Credible expert. And the best way that you can do that is by posting curated content, articles, right? Different types of material on your profile so that people can see that you're actually actively using your profile and you're active on LinkedIn, but then that you're actually a credible source of information, right? You're actually an expert. You know what you're talking about. I remember a while back when I was doing a lot of content curation. I had several people reach out to me that wanted to get on the call, and we would get on the call and they would say, yeah, I mean, I could tell you're an expert because of all the content that you provide and all the different posts that you have on your profile. And so this strategy really builds that perception, right? As far as you being that credible, authoritative expert, which I'm sure you are, right? So building that perception is something that really helps out with positioning yourself to your prospects, right? And so this tool here that I want to share with you is Q. And what this does is it allows you to go out and get curated content on your topic, right? On your niche, and that's relevant to your connections. And then that really positions you as that authoritative figure. So let me just show you over here kind of the frequently asked questions. So how do I send content suggestions to my social profiles? They basically go out there and they look up different content pieces, and then what they'll do is they'll auto-populate them onto your profiles. But for this one, we're looking for this specifically for LinkedIn. So how do we guarantee quality content? Since day one, we've hand-reviewed content, and over time, we've built up a checklist. So they have a huge database of content from all across the web in a wide variety of categories and niches. So where do we find all the content? Content is created in a number of ways. Our team curate content each day by manually scouring the web and reviewing it to ensure it's highly quality and relevant to each topic. Content is also curated by industry experts as well. So again, this is something where you get to have really high-end quality, right? Top-notch quality that's being posted on your profile. That's really positioning you as that trusted authoritative expert. And so what you'll need in conjunction with this, it's only $19 a month. What you'll need is the buffer tool. And so what will happen is you'll find topics here on a Q, right? And then you'll be able to connect Q and your LinkedIn profile to buffer, and then you'll post the actual posts in here and you'll schedule them out. So let's say you want to do once a day or twice a day or whatever that may be. You'll be able to do that through Buffer. And again, this will immediately get you the instant credibility so that you are positioned and you are seen as that trusted authoritative figure. So that's it for this video here. Recommend these two tools, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.